Ready.
Let's go.
English speaking.
Hey, Ria. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Arjun. I am fine. What about you?
I'm doing well. Did you complete yesterday's homework?
Yes, I completed it late at night. It was a little difficult, especially the math problems.
Same here. I also found the math questions confusing. Did you understand question number 5?
Not completely. I tried, but I got stuck in the middle. Maybe we can ask the teacher today.
Yes, that's a good idea. By the way, did you study for the English test?
Yes, I revised all the chapters. I also practiced some grammar exercises.
That's great. I only studied half of the syllabus. I think I need to revise more.
Don't worry, you still have time. You can study during the free period.
Ria, how do you manage your time so well?
I follow a simple routine. I study a little every day instead of studying everything at the last moment.
That's a good habit. I usually study one day before the exam, and then I feel stressed.
Yes, that's why you should start early. It makes learning easier and less stressful.
Which subject do you like the most?
I like English because it is interesting and useful. What about you?
I like science, especially physics. I enjoy learning how things work.
Pratice. Science is interesting, but sometimes it is difficult for me.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, I always write important points in my notebook. It helps me revise later.
I think I should start doing that too.
Exams are coming soon. Are you prepared?
Not fully, but I'm trying my best. I will study harder from today.
That's the spirit. Consistency is the key to success.
Do you study alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone and sometimes with friends. Group study helps me understand better.
Yes, group study is helpful. We can clear our doubts together.
After school, do you go for tuition?
Yes, I go for math tuition in the evening. Helps me improve.
Pratice. I study at home with my elder brother.
What do you do when you feel tired of studying?
I take a short break, listen to music, or go for a walk.
That sounds relaxing. I usually watch videos, but sometimes I waste too much time.
Yes, we should use time wisely.
Okay, Ria, the class is about to start. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Best of luck for your studies.
Thank you. Best of luck to you too. Hey, Ria, do you want to go to the market with me?
Yes, I was also planning to buy some vegetables. Let's go together.
Great. I need to buy some fruits and milk too.
Pratice. It will be fun to shop together.
Look, the vegetables are fresh today.
Yes, they look very fresh and clean.
I want to buy tomatoes, potatoes, and onions.
Okay, I will buy carrots, cabbage, and some green vegetables.
Excuse me, how much are the tomatoes?
Shopkeeper, they are 40 rupees per kilo.
Okay, please give me 1 kilo.
How much are the carrots?
Shopkeeper, they are 30 rupees per kilo.
That's reasonable. Give me 1 kilo.
The vegetables look fresh today.
Yes, we are lucky today.
Let's go to that shop. Primero I need milk.
Yes, I also want to buy juice.
Can you give me 2 packets of milk?
Shopkeeper, sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
I want 1 bottle of orange juice.
Shopkeeper, here you go.
Thank you.
We have bought many things today.
Yes, our bags are full now.
Let's go to the billing counter.
Okay, let's go.
Cashier, hello. Please put your items here.
Okay,
Cashier, your total amount is 220 rupees.
okay, I will pay.
Do you want to pay in cash or online?
I will pay online. Can I pay by UPI?
Cashier, yes. You can scan this QR code.
Done. I have paid the amount.
Cashier, yes. Payment received. Thank you.
Let's go now.
Yes, it was a nice shopping experience.
Shopping with friends is always fun.
Yes, and we also practiced English.
That's true. We should do this more often.
Yes, it helps us improve our speaking skills. This place looks so nice and peaceful.
Yes, the atmosphere is very good.
Speak in English.
Okay, I will try my best.
Let's check the menu.
Yes, I want to order something light.
Waiter, good afternoon. What would you like to order?
Good afternoon. I would like a cup of coffee and a sandwich.
Waiter, sure. And for you?
I would like a cold coffee and a burger.
Waiter, okay. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Ria, do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. It makes me feel fresh.
I also like cold coffee. It is my favorite.
Today was a productive day.
Yes, we studied, went shopping, and now we are here.
And we practiced English too.
Yes, that is the best part.
Waiter, here is your order.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
The food looks delicious.
Yes, let's start eating. How is your coffee?
It's really good. What about your burger?
It is very tasty.
We should come here again.
Yes, definitely. Shall we ask for the bill?
Yes, let's do that.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Waiter, sure. Waiter, your total is 350 rupees.
I will pay this time.
Okay, next time I will pay.
Can I pay by card?
Waiter, yes, you can.
Done.
Waiter, thank you. Have a nice day.
That was a nice experience.
Yes, I enjoyed a lot.
We learned many new sentences today.
Yes, practice makes perfect. It's such a beautiful evening, Ria. The weather feels so calm and fresh.
Yes, Arjun, I really love this kind of weather. It makes me feel relaxed.
Look at the sunset over there. The sky is full of orange and pink colors.
Wow, it looks amazing. Nature is so beautiful in the evening.
I'm really glad we decided to go for a walk today.
Me too. After studying and shopping, I needed this break.
Same here, my mind feels much lighter now.
Yes, walking helps reduce stress and refresh the mind.
Do you usually go for evening walks?
Not every day, but I try to go at least a few times a week. What about you?
I also don't go regularly, but I want to make it a habit.
That's a good idea. It's good for both health and mind.
And it's even better when we have someone to talk to.
Yes, especially when we practice English together.
I think our speaking has improved a lot.
Yes, earlier I felt shy, but now I feel more confident.
Same here. Talking daily really helps.
We should continue this every day.
Sure. Maybe tomorrow we can practice some new topics.
Good idea. We can talk about our hobbies or future plans.
That sounds interesting. By the way, what is your dream?
I want to become successful and confident in my career. And you?
I also want to achieve my goals and make my family proud.
That's really nice, Arjun.
Thank you, Ria. Walking and talking like this makes me feel motivated.
Me too. Positive conversations are very important.
Look, the street lights are turning on. It's getting darker now.
Yes, time passed so quickly while talking.
Should we head back now?
Yes, let's go, but we should come again tomorrow.
Definitely. Let's keep learning and improving together.
Yes, together we can do better.
Hello, Ria. Good evening.
Good evening, Arjun. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing well. I just finished my dinner.
That's nice. What did you eat?
I had rice, vegetables, and some dal. What about you?
I ate roti and curry. It was really tasty.
Sounds good.
So, how was your day?
My day was quite good. We studied, went shopping, and then had a nice walk.
Yes, today was very productive.
And we practiced English a lot too.
Yes, I feel more confident now while speaking.
Same here. Daily practice is really helping us.
Did you revise today's lessons?
Yes, I revised for 1 hour in the evening.
That's great. I still need to revise.
You should do it before sleeping. It helps you remember better.
That's a good idea. I will study after this call.
Good. Consistency is very important.
By the way, do you feel nervous while speaking English sometimes?
Earlier, yes, but now I feel much better.
Same here. I'm slowly gaining confidence.
That's because we are practicing regularly.
Do you watch English videos or listen to English audio?
Yes, I watch simple English videos every day.
That's helpful. I will also start doing that.
Yes, it improves listening and pronunciation.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will study in the morning and then practice English in the evening.
Sounds good. Let's practice together again.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, Ria, it's getting late now.
Yes, you're right. We should take rest.
Good night, Ria. Take care.
Good night, Arjun. Sweet dreams.
Practice English every day even. On phone calls, shopping, walk, and school. Speak without fear. And improve, step by step.